Hey guys, today I will be making my very own Brandy Melville butterfly t-shirt because it's a lot cheaper, and I've seen other people use this hack before, and it's just a really easy, simple way. I've even done it before, so I thought I would share. So everything you are going to need is a basic white t-shirt. It can be a t-shirt you already have, or you can buy one. And it's just like $3. And this one is pre-shrunk. If yours isn't, then you can just stick it in the wash to make sure that it doesn't shrink after you put it in the wash. Okay, also you're going to be needing some butterfly patches, and you can order these off of Amazon for pretty cheap. I got like a 10-pack or something. Yeah, and then you're going to be needing a ruler, scissors, preferably sewing scissors, sewing needles, black thread, an ironing board, and an iron. And one more thing that I forgot, a pen or pencil. But that is the last step. Okay, so I'm going to start by plugging in the iron so that it can heat up. And while it's heating up, I will take off the sticker off of the t-shirt and thread my needle. Hopefully that doesn't take me a long time. So once you get your needle and thread done, then you can just set that aside, and hopefully your iron has fully heated up. Doesn't take too long usually. Okay, so you can just lay it flat, and this is when the pencil comes in handy. So you can just mark on your t-shirt like where you want the butterfly. You can even do 3 butterflies, which I don't know. I think I'm just going to stick with 1. And I'll probably put it like right here. So I'll mark that spot. Doesn't have to be exact, but it's just a good reference point so that it doesn't look strange after you iron it on. Okay, so then I just place the butterfly back, and make sure you have it on the right setting, because these things can melt. So what kind of material is this? And I can say from experience that iron-on patches can melt, and it's not fun, because then, first of all, your iron-on is ruined, whatever you were ironing it on is ruined, and your iron has plastic all over it. Okay, so just carefully iron it on. I'm not even sure if it's heated up. Feels like it's heated up. It may take a minute. So once your patch seems like it's dried and you have your iron unplugged and put away, you can go ahead and begin on the next step, which is, you don't have to do this, but if you want your shirt to last longer, and if you don't want the patch edges to start coming up eventually, you're going to want to sew it around on the edges with your black thread along the butterfly. So I'm going to go ahead and sew that, and I will be right back. And you can't even tell that I sewed the edges. And that will definitely help it be more secure on there. And the very last step is to trim it to the length that you want it, just to give it that rough edge that the original has, and to make it cute. You can crop it, but I won't crop it. I want it to the waist, so I'm just gonna hold it up to myself and then use the pencil and kind of mark around where I want it. Okay, so once you have it marked, you want to lay it out flat and smooth, no wrinkles, so that it's an even cut. And it's best to start not dramatic, and if you want a little more, then you can take a little more off. Okay, so I'm using the ruler so that I have a straight line that I draw with the pencil, and I'm just doing it very light. It goes on light even if you press down hard. So if I do something wrong, it can easily be erased. Alrighty, so once you have a line across it, and I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. So this is what your pencil line should look like, nice and straight. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on.